How to download Bluestacks in PC. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Bluestacks on your PC. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser on your PC, and once you have opened it, simply click on the address bar and type Bluestacks and simply search for it. Now here at the result, simply click on the first link and you will land on the official Bluestacks homepage. Now here on the homepage, you will see a download Bluestacks button. So simply click on it to start downloading the installer file. And once the download is complete, you can go to the downloads folder and double click the BlueStack installer file, and the installation setup will pop up, and you just have to click on install now button and BlueStacks will begin installing. So this may take a few minutes depending on your system and internet speed, but make sure that you are connected to a stable internet connection to avoid any interruptions. And here, after the installation is complete, BlueStacks will launch automatically, or you can even open it anytime by clicking on the BlueStacks icon on your desktop. And that's it. That's how you can download BlueStacks in PC. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.